if I could ceramic coat myself with this, I would do it. I would do it in a heartbeat, because this right here is awesome.
I want it, I like it, I buy it. I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking it fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in the...
What is going on, everybody? It is Aaron Cates, and I'm coming at y'all with another video today. Now, if you watched the last video, you notice I look the same. Truck's in the same spot. That is because I just ended the clay bar video, and we are already picking up the next video for today, but this will be on Friday for y'all. Had to move my tripod out of the way. It's laying on the ground right there. Now today we are going to be trying something that has been blowing up all over YouTube, all over Instagram. It is Meguiar's new hybrid ceramic wax. Now what this is a super simple way to ceramic coat your vehicle and wax at the same time. It is Meguiar's super cool new technology. This was just released. It has been out for a couple months now. Not too many videos of it up online, and that's why we are going to check it out today. Now, as you guys know, in the last video I had just washed the truck and then I clay barred, and so truck is nice and smooth now, and we're going to get started ceramic coating the truck with this. Now it says for your first initial use to skip step 4. There are 5 steps, but this is something that you can use just about every time you wash your vehicle, or you can do it every other time, once every 3 times. It is completely up to you. I'm no detail professional. That is just from my knowledge of watching videos on this and reading the back of the bottle. Now what it says to do is wash your car with any Meguiar's car wash following the directions on the label. So truck has been washed. Now we're going to rinse the vehicle thoroughly of all wash soap. So I'll go ahead and spray off the truck before I get started with this. And then it says you want to spray Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax over all exterior surfaces. So just go all over the truck, spray the entire truck down with this. And then if you were going to be reapplying this, you would want to start at the roof and use a strong stream of water to rinse the vehicle a second time. The hydropower of this rinse will spread the product coating all the exterior with our hybrid ceramic protection. Dry the vehicle with a quality microfiber drying towel like Meguiar's water magnet. So it says right here in fine print, I'll show you guys. It says come on focus camera. Right below step 5 says, for the initial application of Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax, skip step 4, the second rinse, and go directly to step 5. Using a clean, dry towel for the final wipe, this establishes a foundational layer of protection and beading that will be enhanced with subsequent product applications using the wax as you rinse method. So basically, what that's saying is go ahead and spray this all over the truck after you've rinsed off all the soap, anything like that. Spray it all over the truck, and then go around with a microfiber and wipe it all down. Now, just like washing your vehicle, just like waxing, you want your truck to be in a cool, dry area. You don't want it to be raining outside. You don't want it to be in direct sunlight, like over here where you can see the shade line is right here. It's sun over here, shade over here. That's why the truck is back here, up underneath this tree. Now, underneath the tree is not the best condition. These things can fall out of the tree, land on the paint as you're running that microfiber around, and you can rub it into the paint. But I'm not fortunate enough to have a garage. I am fortunate enough to have a hose and a tree to park underneath of. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to go ahead, rinse the truck off. We're going to get to spraying, and then we're going to get to wiping. You guys, this will take you a couple seconds. This will take me quite a while. I'll pick you up then. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a quick representation of what the coating of my truck is like. My truck is not ceramic coated, it is not really waxed. Whatever comes in car wash is what is on my truck. Now I have polished the truck a couple times, but nothing to where it's going to bead any water. So as you can see, it's kind of running off. kind of just still staying on there. The truck has been clay barred, so that could help a little bit. But as you guys can see, it is just staying in one sheet right there. Got a couple beads in some spots. Let's check this side. There we go. See that sheeting right there? Let's see what kind of difference we can make with this. So I'm going to hose off the rest of the truck, and then we're going to get to spraying. Alright guys, so luckily I'm honest with you and I let you know when I mess up. So as you guys saw, when I was spraying it, I was spraying a whole lot down each side. Sprayed the windows, sprayed the mirrors, I sprayed everything on the truck because as I know with ceramic coat, you can ceramic coat anything. So it's kind of exactly what I did. I just went around and I sprayed every single thing on the truck, and I sprayed a lot of it. I was like, I don't want to not have enough, so I'm going to spray a lot. Do not spray as much as I did, because that is where I messed up. I just spent the last, like, I'd say hour wiping down the whole entire truck, scrubbing. I had to scrub all the windows and everything. I'll show you. It's kind of like this film all along the window, but everything's super smooth and super shiny, I would say. Yeah, everything came out alright. I got a lot of the streaks off the window. See if you can see that right there. There's some more right there. Now, if I had to guess, I'd say this would come off over time. But I'm going to hose it off with the hose and see if we have any more beading than before. So let's go ahead. You guys remember what the hood was like? Oh wow. Alright, well it definitely works because it just instantly started beading. I did the headlights. It's just pouring right off the headlights. Just beads right off. So it obviously works. See what the windshield does. Oh yeah, just pours right off the windshield. So it works. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all those beads. Alright, you guys remember what the door was like. Okay, so like I said do not do a lot, but you know what? Do a lot. Spray that whole damn bottle on this truck because that is spectacular. That is amazing. Meguiar's, that is amazing. Now this is not a sponsored video whatsoever. Meguiar's, I am not sponsored by you. I would love to be, but I'm not. I purchased that product with my own money. It was about $16. I picked it up at Advance. Most everywhere is selling out of it. The first store I went to was AutoZone. They were sold out, so I went to Advance and picked it up. And that is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. I'll put the clip in of it beforehand, and you guys will see the difference. So let's do the before clip. There we go. See that sheeting right there? And then now, just pours right off like it was not even there. See what the mirror's like. Just pours right off that mirror. What about the glass on the mirror? Look at that. Just beads. Wow, that is amazing. I can't get over that, guys. That is just absolutely awesome. It just pours right off. It just pours off the entire truck like that. Everywhere I did it, it just pours off. That is awesome. See the cardinal? I don't know if you guys believe in anything like that, but I believe when you see a red bird or a butterfly, it's a dead person visiting you. And my grandfather's tattooed right here on my chest. So anytime I see a cardinal, it makes me think of him. Just a little insight on myself. But that right there is awesome. Just beads on beads on beads on ants. Look at these ants. I hate these things. Carpenter ants. They hurt when they bite. But that is absolutely awesome right there. Alright guys, so like I said before, this is not a sponsored video whatsoever. This is just me testing out this product to show you guys, my viewers, my followers, my family, everything. This is for you guys. So if you're wanting to ceramic coat your truck and you want something that's super easy to use, this right here is the absolute best. If I could ceramic coat myself with this, I would do it. I would do it in a heartbeat, because this right here is awesome. Best product I've probably ever used on my truck besides Adam's Polish Wheel Cleaner is this right here, the Meguiar's ceramic, the hybrid ceramic wax. Absolutely spectacular, guys. I'm blown away. I'm kind of speechless on how well that turned out. I saw all the videos on it. It's nothing like that. So go pick you guys up a bottle and use it on your truck. And when you see how awesome it turns out, come back here and hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.